Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting reliable font sources and why that matters. Licensing affects distribution and file formats affect performance. First, pick whether you will use system fonts, a hosted web font service, or self-hosted files. Choose WAF2 when possible for compression and fallback options too. WAF or TTF. Once done, place your files in a web-accessible folder and note their relative paths, because correct paths are essential for the browser to fetch them quickly. You now write the font face declarations and understand how they control loading. Define font family names you will reference later. List SRC with local. First, then WAF2 and WAF fallbacks so browsers choose the best available file. Specify font weight and font style for each file and set font display. Swap to show system text until the web font loads, avoiding invisible text. Make sure to group related weights and variable font axes to simplify later usage. You finish by applying the fonts in your CSS and verifying behavior. Assign font family to body or components, use weights and italics as declared, and leverage font variation settings for variable fonts when needed. Then test on multiple browsers and throttled networks to confirm performance. If fonts do not load, check paths, server MIME types, and CORS headers immediately, because those are the most common failures. Correcting them usually resolves the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.